So now that we have selected the implant libraries that we'd like to use and we've downloaded them from the exocad website, the exocad portal, we need to install those libraries into our exoplan folder. So here are the zip files that I've downloaded, and I'm just going to show you with this one. This is the Implant Direct exoplan generic series of implants. So I'm going to extract that to the desktop, and we have this extra folder here. When I look in that folder, I see another folder called Implant, and then all of the Implant Direct libraries. So we have Go Direct, Interactive, Legacy, Swish. So I'm going to just delete the ones that I don't use, because I can always download these libraries again later on. And I don't want so many implant libraries that it gets confusing on which one to choose. So let's just say I use just the interactive and the legacy implants. So now I need to, so I have this, these are the implant libraries on the left. I need to open the folder where exoplan, the file, is located. And mine is in Dropbox /exocad /exoplan, implant planning DB, and then bin. You're going to go to your implant planning folder, not the database folder, the implant planning folder, library, and then implant. And you can see right here I have exocad demo, and placeholder, and I am going to simply copy all of these implant folders into the exoplan implant library folder. And what I typically do is I will take this folder right here and all the other implant folders that I've got, and I will save them as a backup, so I don't have to download all of these implant libraries again, and save those somewhere on my computer, so that if I update exoplan or change the folder or something, all of my libraries don't get lost, so I don't have to repeat this process over and over. What I'd like to do is also show you, so here we have NT trading. So I'm going to extract that to the desktop, and now I have this NT trading folder. I want to show you in here, there's a folder called surgical guide, and this library is for the guide sleeves that accompany the implants. So Implant Direct doesn't have any guide sleeves, but NT Trading does. So I'm going to go back to my library folder, and instead of implant, I'm going to go down to surgical guide. And again, here all we have are exocad demo sleeves. I'm going to go to surgical guide, and then in that surgical guide folder is the NT Trading sleeve. I'm going to copy that to the surgical guide folder. So that will have the surgical sleeves that are compatible with those implants. Depending on what the configuration file says here, will determine what sleeves are compatible with which implant systems. So there isn't an Implant Direct sleeve, but there may be an NT Trading sleeve that is compatible with the Implant Direct implants. So now that we've got our implant library added to exoplan, we're going to start exoplan over again. So we're going to launch the program. Now you have to start the program all over again so exoplan can load all of these libraries before you get to that point in the wizard. So we're going to load our most recent case, number 4 implant, which we know is really number 5 implant, and we're going to start implant planning. Now, we weren't allowed to save the case after we did everything, so we really need to download the implant libraries first before doing anything in the wizard. So I'm going to do all of that and get us back to the step in the wizard. So download your libraries first and then get started with your case.